What's going on, world? Today I'm here to talk about a product from Amazon, Brightech. iPod, iPad, iPhone, Lightning port, AirPods. I like them. They look good. So as far as the cosmetics go, anyway. Nice packaging. Now let's open it. My little knife. I'm gonna rip in from the bottom because it might be easier to slide it out. So alright, cool, that's out. We got instructions for headphones. Like, it's really instructions. I mean, I'm not gonna read them. We got some clear white covers, some black covers, and the headphones. So let's see. I'm a big fan of the flat cords, which means tangle free. So, you know, you put them in your pocket, pull them out, they don't be all tangled up. These feel really good. I like them. Nice size controls. I just need to know if I can take a picture while this is plugged in. And of course, the lightning port. All right, we're gonna be testing some music on my iPad mini. So let's, first we're gonna use the originals. Let's see. Regular headphone jack 3.5. Let's see, and Jadakiss. You hear that? Okay, let's test. We know we can take a picture with these by pressing the volume up or volume down while plugged in and using the camera. So now let's plug this in. And let's see. And right, well first let's, okay, these don't sound as loud while they're not in your ear. Now let's put them in. Play, pause work. Okay, so they sound good. I mean, it's like more of a surround sound. Like, they don't feel like they're gonna fall out every time I move my head either. Now let me see if I can take a picture with the volume button. So let's open up the camera and let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get this picture. Ah, I'm sold. That's all I need to work. As long as I can take a picture. A lot of headphones won't allow you to take a picture inside of a Apple product with the volume button. So I say these are worth it. I'm gonna put the link to the Amazon in the description and you can go check it out, check the price. I like them though, so far. I mean, I'm listening to them throughout the day. This noise cancellation is the truth. I'm definitely digging these lightning port. And they say the next iPhone may not have it, so we may be using this in the future, so get used to it. All right, I gotta go ahead and go to work. I'm out. Thanks for watching.